Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Mindful Max Hub. In today's video, we are diving into solving section 3 of previous year question paper for 10th grade max. But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to reflect on our last videos where we have explored section 1 and section 2 of previous year question papers. If you haven't seen it yet, I have included a link to that video in the description below. So be sure to check it out and make sure you have pen and paper before starting the video so that you can also solve simultaneously with me. Coming to section 3, this section 3 consists of 6 questions and we have choice here. We have to answer only 4 questions from this section and each question carries 6 marks. Let's get started. Question is, draw the graph of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 and find the zeros of the polynomial from the graph. So they have given p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So we have to find zeros of the polynomial from the graph. So in order to draw the graph, we have to create one table. So this is the table. So we have to take this first term, that is x square, in the first row of the table. Then we have to take x as minus 1 here. So we have to substitute x as minus 1 in x square. So we get 1. Like that, we have to substitute x as 0. We get 0. So x as 1, we get 1. So if we substitute x as 2, we get x square as 4. If we have x as 3, so we get x square as 9. So if we take x as 4, we get x square as 16. Then next, we have to take this middle term, it is minus 4x. So we have to take these x values, all these x values, and substitute here. We get the answers here. So we are substituting x as minus 1. So we get 4. Then we are substituting x as 0 in this minus 4x. That in the place of x, we are substituting these x values. If x is 0, we get the value as 0. If x is 1, we get the value as minus 4. If x is 2, we get the value as minus 8. If x is 3, we get the value as minus 12. If x is 4, we get the value as minus 16. So next, we are taking this constant, third term. So as it is constant, we are writing the values constant only. That is same 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So if x is minus 1, we have to find this y value. How to find y value? So in order to find these y values here, we need to add these 3. It is first term, second term, and third term of the equation. If we add all these 3, we will get y. So if we add 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. Then next, 0 plus 0 plus 3, we get 3. Similarly, we are calculating all the y values by adding this all. So we get y here. So in next row, we are writing all x, y values here. So if x is minus 1, we got y as 8. So x comma y is minus 1 comma 8. And if x is 0, we got y as 3. So we have to write as 0 comma 3. Similarly, we have to write 1 comma 0, then 2 comma minus 1, then 3 comma 0, and 4 comma 3. Using this table, we have to draw the graph. Now I am going to plot the coordinates which I have got from the table. So the first coordinate is minus 1 comma 8. So in x-axis it is minus 1 and in y-axis it is 8. So here. And the next coordinate is 0 comma 3. So in x-axis we have to draw here 0 and y-axis it is 3. So we have to draw here. We have to point it here and we have to draw the line. And next coordinate we have 1 comma 0. So here in x-axis it is 1 and in y-axis it is 0. So here will be the point. From here we have to join this. Then The next coordinate we have is 2 comma minus 1. So in x-axis it is 2 and in y-axis it is minus 1. 2 and here it is minus 1. So from here we have to join it. And next coordinate we have 3 comma 0. That is from here. Then the next coordinate is 4 comma 3. X-axis is 4 and in y-axis it is 3. So from here we are going to draw here. So we have plotted the coordinates here. So the graph x square minus 4x plus 3 cuts x-axis at 2 points. So here in this graph we can see these 2 points. They are 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. So the zeros of the polynomial are 1 comma 3. So to verify it, we have to solve this equation. So first we have to find the factors of 3. It is 1 and 3. So if we multiply it, we have to get 3, and if we add it, we have to get minus 4. So in order to get it, we are taking minus 1 and minus 3. If we multiply it, we will get 3, and if we add it, we will get minus 4. So we are splitting this minus 4 as minus 1x and minus 3x. So x square minus 1x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we are taking x common here, that is x of x minus 1, and we are taking minus 3 as common here. This minus 3 of x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we can write x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we get x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Therefore, we got x is equal to 1 comma 3. And from graph also we can say that the zeros are 1 comma 3. Share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you all. Keep practicing and stay tuned for our next video.